this is our little video from where we left off last week at the Audlem to Nantwich.
But we're going to let you go straight into this because I did promise Deb I'd get some drinks ready.
You
so
did.
We'll see you in 5 minutes. Right, we're now leaving Audlem. Had a stock up at the co-op. Had a bike into Audlem last night to get fish and chips. Was assured that the fish and chip shop was open, biked in there, and as I predicted, the fish and chip shop wouldn't be open, but hey ho, bit of exercise. Yes, we've been informed that there's some nice moorings up about a mile out of Audlem with quite a wide towpath area and some benches, and so we're going to head up there and meet up with Matt and Ali and a barbecue. Yeah, very big sweeping entrance to that marina. Quite a nice one, an easy one to get into, I'd have thought. Now coming up to the area with the picnic benches and the wide towpath, and it looks pretty full with the obligatory 42.5 foot gap between each boat. Managed to just squeeze in 60 foot boat in a 57 foot gap. You do realise these are our mooring spots.
One of your dogs is really friendly, the other one don't want to know.
Now if I need to kick him off my bench I've got to do it from 2 metres away, so I'd have to grab him with pointy finger and thumb. Yeah. Well, we've had a couple of nice days here, not the best weather, but had the weather been nice we'd have had a lot more barbecues than we did. And the place we're at is called, not sure how you pronounce that, Cool Pilate, I'm not sure. And there's room for I think 8 or 9 boats, picnic tables all along, and each picnic table has a nice little stand for your disposable barbecue, and they were all supplied by the Shropshire Union Canal Society.
We're back.
Cheers guys.
Cheers, guys.
If anybody's curious as to what we're drinking, it's not iron brew. It's blood orange gin. Now, Deb doesn't normally like any of the more modern flavoured gins because they can tend to be a little bit sweet, but
Sweet
that
and
is
sickly, but
that
this is
very
just
drinkable.
perfect.
Yeah, very nice. So where was we?
Thinks it's drinkable too.
Yeah, so as you can see, the moorings at Cool Pilate, we've been told.
Is that what it's called? It's
Well,
called Pilate.
Yeah. We're still not sure.
No.
But no doubt you guys will correct us.
But it's right, yeah. It was. They were lovely moorings, absolutely lovely. But we had a barbecue, and it was very
it was
cold.
young Matthew's idea of barbecue, and he's obviously new at this, and he forgot to book sunshine.
He did, yeah.
Yeah, and to add insult to injury, towards the end of the barbecue, where's Matt gone? He'd gone inside his boat to log on because Foxes were doing a live vlog. So
we know who his favourites are.
So rather than actually enjoying our company, he sodded off inside to watch Colin and Sean on their vlog.
And on the subject of live vlogs,
yeah, we mentioned a couple of weeks ago that we might be doing one, and just asked you guys what you thought. And
you seem up for it.
The reaction has been fairly good, so looks like we're going to have to do one.
Yeah.
But where we are and where we're going to be for the next 2 or 3 weeks, the signal is not brilliant.
No,
and
it's dreadful.
We want to get our first one right, so it is important to have a good phone signal.
But as soon as we know,
yeah, we'll give everybody a week's notice.
give you a fair notice.
We're now leaving cool Pilate moorings and heading towards Nantwich. So another unexplored town for us to visit.
Yep.
And they're going to wave
Pass.
goodbye to Matt and Ali and Mr. Jinx. Bit of a bonus, I've just moored up at Nantwich Marine Wharf to get fuel, and there's a company who does cratch covers, and I just popped in to ask them if they could just give me a rough idea to repair my little tear, and he said whip it off and I'll do it now. So there's our boat without a cratch cover on. Looks quite strange. Yeah, so we've got cratch covers and canopies at Nantwich.
Yeah, so we got to Nantwich, lovely moorings, very busy, lot of foot traffic.
As you know, we prefer to be out in the country, mainly because of Bonnie and Alfie. They get a
But
little
to be
bit
fair,
anxious.
it was the weekend, wasn't it?
Yeah,
So,
yeah. We needed to stock up.
Yeah. So we're only, I think it was a 20-minute walk to Morrison's and Aldi.
Yeah.
So
Felt a lot longer walking back with a full trolley. Yeah.
Yeah, and it was quite warm as well, wasn't it?
Yeah,
So,
that was warm that weekend.
Yeah.
But there was there was the baked on board pizza boat there. There was a wine boat, and we didn't actually buy any wine from them. There was the fudge boat behind us.
Yeah.
And
a couple of others.
Yeah, a couple of others.
Yeah.
One selling bits and pieces. So it was nice to see.
Nice to see the traders.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Although it wasn't an official canal side festival as such, I think most of those have been unfortunately cancelled this year. Obviously, the traders keep in touch with each other, and they know good spots to get for the weekend.
And fools that we were, we didn't know that the pizza boat was going to be there, and he was fully booked for a whole 3 days.
Yeah. He hadn't
Fully
actually
booked.
moored up, and I waved to him and I said, "How long are you here for?" And he said, 3 days, but we're fully booked.
Yeah.
So his
Couldn't
business
believe
is
it.
doing really well. Yeah.
Yeah, and you've got the marina on the opposite side of the towpath, just on the opposite side.
Yeah, so everything you need from a marina, and they've got a laundry service there.
Yeah, laundrette, yeah.
Laundrette, yeah.
A little shop for...
Basics. Basics.
Bread, milk, sugar, that type of thing, bacon, cakes, chocolate.
Although we didn't get
we didn't use it, no.
Yeah, no.
We did get our fuel there, yeah.
Yeah, I can't remember the price of the fuel, but I think...
it weren't too bad.
No, it wasn't dear, but
Mark
but
didn't
it wasn't
moan,
cheap.
so it must have been okay.
Cheap, no. And I showed you the canopies and covers at Nantwich. We've actually ordered a new cratch cover off of them.
Yeah.
We've got a traditional A-frame cratch with a wooden cratch board, but it's all rotten. And we want one slightly higher, so we was going to have a new cratch frame and board made up. It's so expensive.
Extortionate.
Yeah, to have a hardwood one made up, you're looking about £800, and then round about the same again for the cratch cover. So we've opted for a tubular steel one. So it's a similar construction of what you see when people have the pram hoods done, but it's in the same shape as your traditional A-frame of your cratch, and it will hopefully give us another 6 inches of height. The front panel, it's not glazed, it's perspex, or the clear plastic. That zips out, so you can actually get to your gas locker from inside. And
looking forward to it.
Yeah, so we'll be going back there later in the year. We've got a date booked in, and going back there, and I think he said it takes about half an hour, 40 minutes to measure up.
Yeah.
They'll then go away, do it. We come back a week later, and couple of hours to fit it all. Yeah, so looking forward to getting that end of the boat tidied up.
Yeah.
And we had a socially distanced towpath rehydration session with Matt and Ali and David Bramley from Narrowboat
Snow Goose.
We spoke to him a lot on Twitter and Facebook, so that was nice to actually meet him, even though he didn't bring enough of his own drink.
No, we catered.
We did have
enough.
plenty on board, and I think I slightly overhydrated that night, so I
shan't even go into telling you what he drank.
I'm feeling a little bit fluffy the day after.
A little bit fluffy. Yeah, and we also met Mandy and David off of Narrowboat Kismet, who were gave us a little present, which was lovely of them. Thank you so much.
Had a nice natter with them. They've been viewers of ours for a little while. So
yeah, that was lovely.
That was nice to meet them, and it's always weird when you meet people like this, because they know as much. Well, they probably know more about us than we do, because we forget half the stuff. So it's like, and I think I've said it before, catching up with old friends you've never met.
That's right.
It's always nice.
Yeah, I'm having a flush. I don't use Timotei. Oh dear.
Debbie's having a hot flush, so although it's raining outside, our fans are coming in quite handy.
Dear oh dear.
Right, 10 minutes later and the flush is all over. And a very big thank you to this week's new patron, Ken Wignall. Thank you very much for your support.
And
also Randy Scott Schmidt. For your very generous support through PayPal. Thank you very
so
much.
much, both of you.
Yeah, that will be going towards the cratch cover. Yeah, so that's very much appreciated.
Yeah, thank you so much.
And all our other patrons and PayPal people for your continued support through these strange times. Yeah, that is really, really appreciated. And I think that is about it.
I think that's about it.
Yeah, and if we've missed anything, it's too late.
Sorry.
Yeah. So if you enjoyed the video,
press the like button.
Hit the like button. If you haven't already subscribed,
press the subscribe button.
If you want future notifications of any other videos we upload,
it's the bell icon.
Yeah, and keep the comments coming, guys.
Love your comments.
Yeah, and see you all next week.
Yeah. Bye.